Your microservices are screaming at each other, and you have no idea why. That is the nightmare scenario for anyone trying to scale a modern application. You have dozens or hundreds of little pieces of code all trying to talk at once. It gets messy fast. This is the crossroad where you have to choose between a standalone proxy or a full-service mesh. Most people start looking at a specific high-performance tool that came out of the engineering team at a major ride-sharing company. This tool is a beast. It is called Envoy. It acts like a hyper-intelligent traffic cop sitting right in the middle of the chaos. It knows exactly where data needs to go. It handles things like retries and load balancing without breaking a sweat. If a service fails, it knows how to reroute traffic instantly. The best part is that it is incredibly fast. It does one job, and it does it better than almost anything else out there. But sometimes just having a great traffic cop is not enough. You might have 1,000 cops on 1,000 different street corners. How do you tell them all what to do at the same time? How do you make sure they are all following the same security protocols? That is where the bigger platform comes in. Picture this platform as the central command center. It uses that same fast proxy as its foundation, but it adds a massive layer of control on top. This platform is what we call a service mesh. It is known as Istio. It puts a little proxy next to every single service you have. Then it links them all back to a central brain. This gives you a bird's eye view of everything. You can see every single request moving through your system in real time. You get automatic encryption between services, which is huge for security. You can do things like traffic splitting, where you send only a tiny percentage of your users to a new version of your app to see if it breaks. Doing that manually with just a proxy would be a total headache. The real question is about how much complexity you can handle. If you are just starting out, or you have a relatively simple setup, the standalone proxy is a dream. It is lightweight. It is easy to understand. You do not need a degree in rocket science to get it running. You can deploy it as a sidecar or even as a gateway. It gives you the metrics you need without the overhead of a massive control plane. But as you grow, that simplicity might start to feel like a limitation. You will find yourself wanting more global control. You will want that central dashboard where you can flip a switch and change how every service talks to every other service. That is when you step up to the full mesh. It is a lot more to learn. The learning curve is steep, and it can be a bit of a resource hog because it is doing so much work behind the scenes. It manages things like certificates and identity for you. It handles complex routing rules across your entire cluster. For a massive enterprise system, it is often the only way to keep things from falling apart. It is like the difference between buying a high-performance engine and buying a luxury car with a computerized dashboard. One gives you raw power, and the other gives you a complete experience. Most big teams end up moving toward the full mesh eventually because the security benefits are worth the extra weight. It lets your developers focus on building features instead of worrying about the network. Do not over-engineer it if you do not have to. Start with the proxy if you are small. Move to the mesh when the chaos starts to keep you up at night. Both tools are amazing at what they do. One is a sharp knife and the other is a full kitchen suite. Pick the one that fits your current mess.